Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious jello. It's a chamoy with mango. It comes out delicious and amazing, and I am sure that you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing Mangonada Jello, these are the ingredients. I have tajin, granulated sugar, unflavored gelatin, water, mango, chamoy, mango juice, tajin. This is everything you need to prepare this delicious and amazing Mangonada Jello. So let's get started. I want to start with the mold. I'm going to add some vegetable oil, and with a napkin I am going to cover everything from the inside. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and I want to hydrate my unflavored gelatin in 2 cups of water. Remember that you have all the ingredients in the description box. I am going to move it really good. I'm going to let it rest and let it get it nice and hydrated. Let me put it aside. Now I'm ready to start measuring the chamoy. I'm going to use 2 cups of chamoy, and to this I am going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Look at this. You decide if you want to add 3 or you want to add 4. It's gonna come out delicious. Once you incorporate that, I'm going to take this to the microwave for just a couple seconds until it gets nice and liquidy. Now I am ready to add it into the chamoy. This jello really comes out delicious and amazing. I am sure that once you try it, you are going to continue making this amazing Mangonada Jello. And here I'm going to add a little bit of the food coloring red. You decide, that's optional. And now I'm ready to pour it right into the mold. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. I'm going to continue making the mango jello. I'm hydrating the unflavored gelatin. I'm going to whisk it really good. I'm going to put it aside so it gets nice and hydrated. I'm going to continue with 2 cups of the mango juice. And of course, I'm going to add it to the blender. I'm going to add the juice. I'm going to add the chunks of mango. And I'm going to add the granulated sugar. And of course, I am going to add some food coloring. I'm going to go take the unflavored gelatin, put it in the microwave for just a couple seconds, and now I am ready to incorporate it. Let's take everything and blend it really good. Once this is nice and blended, then I am ready to get the jello out of the refrigerator and start adding the second coat. Look at this. Now I am ready to start pouring it in carefully so I don't tear the chamoy jello on the bottom. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to mix the last batch of chamoy, and I'm going to add it. It's going to be in the refrigerator for about 5 hours or overnight. You decide. After the 5 hours, I am going to get it out of the mold. Of course, my hands are nice and wet. I'm going to start pulling the edges and then pulling the center, making sure that it releases really good from the mold. And look, the center just push inside. And now I am ready to reveal how this jello is going to come out. Look at this. Remember, we added a little bit of vegetable oil on the mold. And look at this. This looks amazing. and I am sure that it tastes delicious. Let me show you how this looks. The bright red of the chamoy right on the top, the mango right in the center, and the bottom with some more chamoy. Of course, we need to decorate it. If you don't want to decorate it, that's fine. It looks amazing just the way it is. But I'm going to add some chunks of mango right on the top. I'm going to add some chunks of mango on the sides. And believe me, once you make this amazing and delicious chamoy jello, you are going to continue enjoying this with your beautiful family. I'm going to add a little sprinkles of the chamoy on the top, a little bit of the tajin right on the top. My mouth is already watering. And believe me, you are going to love this jello. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing mangonada jello. If you liked and loved this recipe, leave me thumbs up, subscribe, share this video so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look at this. I even made with the same mixture. I made this small mangonada jello. I can't wait to taste it. I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing mangonada. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. The sweetness of the mango, the flavor of the mango and the chamoy, perfection made at home. This recipe is perfect for this hot weather. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. It came out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing mangonada jello. See you on my next amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.